Good morning, friends. The vlog is starting on Tuesday this week because obviously it was Labor Day on Monday and I didn't really do much besides just rest, which is kind of nice because I often don't do that when I have days off. But today we're back to the first rotation for specials and I completely forgot who's in it, so I have to go check now. First half of the day is done and I only have one class this afternoon. I do have a lunch duty, but that's not too bad. But other than that, the morning went almost good. I needed to switch up how the videos were presented in our choose your own activity thing today, and one class didn't get to it because they were not following computer lab rules. So I have high hopes for them maybe tomorrow. Otherwise we'll see how it goes. All right, day's over. Got a little planning time, and I'm going to try to get my class rules put up, as well as just created a brand new freebie. So this is a daily work slide. It has a must do and a may do section, as well as a goal on the bottom that you can't see. It's just a one slide Google slide item. So if you want, you can grab that in my TPT store. We've made it to the end of the day. I didn't do much today, like after school, except for going to the gym. And then did a little bit of laundry and stuff like that around the house once we got home. I do not think I've vlogged today at all, actually, which that makes it sound like it's been busier than it is, but I honestly just forgot. Although I had to do a little bit of tweaking with my Choose Your Own Adventure assignment because one of the classes is not quite ready to experience that. So I'm hoping that they can work on expectations a little more, and then we can maybe do that next round. We'll see. Also, yes, I finally did set September to the proper dates. Back into the hot lava car and off to the gym. Just got those affirmation pieces cut out, and I will show you what they look like in the morning when I put them up next to the mirror. Here is the final affirmation mirror with my fancy fairy lights that I had at my house. Done with school, back to the 80 billion dirty car, and then now off to Costco. Good morning, guys. It is Friday, last day of the week. Let's see if there's any fun days. Nah, nothing particularly interesting. I mean, technically it says TV dinner day, but not super interested in that. But last day of the week, it is Fun Friday, which is nice because almost all of the classes have worked really well this week, and we're going to do some fun stuff. I got a Kahoot game planned, and then we're watching Magic School Bus Gets Programmed. But yeah, so we're doing some fun stuff today, and then I have discussion questions for my class to do. It is technically still morning, but it is now lunchtime for me, and I didn't realize I was out of salads, so today is corn and a PB&J, which not the most healthy, but I mean, at least it's still food. School is done for the day. I finished my master's homework, and yeah, I did learn today that the Magic School Bus actually aired its first episode on September 10th, which is literally today. And if I had known that before right now, I probably would have dressed up. I might do it on Monday still, even though it's like a couple days late, but that's still okay. I also finished everything else that I needed to do with like preparing for next week. So now I'm going to take just like 10 minutes or so to do a little reading. This time I'm actually reading a real book instead of fan fiction because I read a beautiful fan fiction, and now it's like I have to take a break because it was like so good that nothing else is comparing, and I want to give the other stories like their chance to shine. So I am reading Insatiable by Meg Cabot. She's the one that originally wrote the books Princess Diaries those movies are based on. I've never actually read the Princess Diaries books, but the movies were pretty good. So it was published in 2010, and it's about vampires, which 2010 makes sense because that's like Twilight Gray's era. It's not bad so far. I don't actually know if it's YA or if it's adult, but I will let you know in an update later what I think of it.